Welcome you all to the classes of Ambuja Public School. Today we are going to do a poem from our Marigold textbook in English. The poem is from unit number 7 and its title is Puppy and I. This poem is written by the poet A. Milne, and the poem is about a little boy who meets a man, a horse and a puppy while walking one fine day. So let us read the poem. I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to, man? I said to man as he went by. Down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by. Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up in the hills to roll and play. I'll come with you, puppy, said I. So this poem has 3 stanzas. Here you can see. In the first stanza, the little boy meets a man and asks him where is he going. And the man responds that he is going to the village to buy some bread. The boy asks him if he would accompany him, but he rejects his request. The man says that I am going down to buy some bread, so I cannot go with you for playing. Then in the second stanza, the little boy meets a horse and asks him also that whether he would like to play with him. But the horse also denies his request, stating that he is going to village to get some hay for eating. Finally, the boy moves further and he meets a little puppy and asks him the same question, that where is he going. So the puppy says that he is going to play. Therefore, the boy was happy to know that the puppy has accepted his request and accompanies him to go up to the hills to roll and play with him, and they become good friends forever. Now let us see the rhyming pairs that we can find in the poem. Walking, talking, said, bread, hay, today, day and play. So there are 4 rhyming pairs in all. Dear children, rhyming words are those words which have the same end sound when we pronounce them. So your homework for today is to read and recite the poem Puppy and I. Enjoy the poem. We'll meet you soon again. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.